Memecoin Musk Fuks robots, MUSKROBO, to rally 16,000% ahead of first exchange listing. Musk Fuks robots could turn early investors into multi-millionaires, like other meme coins, such as Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, DOGE, did. Musk Fuks robots, MUSKROBO, a Solana meme coin launched today, is set to explode over 16,000% in price in the coming days. This is because MUSKROBO is set to soon be listed on numerous crypto exchanges, according to reports. This will give the Solana meme coin exposure to millions of additional investors, who will pour funds into the coin and cause its price to rally, which will benefit investors who buy before these new exchange listings. Currently, Musk Fuks robots can only be purchased via Solana decentralized exchanges, like Juke.ag and Radium.io, and early investors stand to make huge returns in the coming days. Early investors in SHIB and Doge made astronomical returns, and Musk Fuks robots could become the next viral meme coin. Musk Fuks robots launched with over $40,000 of liquidity, giving it a unique advantage over the majority of other new meme coins, and early investors could make huge gains. How to buy? To buy Musk Fuks robots on Radium.io or Juke.ag ahead of the SEX listings, users need to connect their Solflare, MetaMask or Phantom wallet, and swap Solana for Musk Fuks robots by entering its contract address. If you don't have one of these wallets already, you can create a new wallet in a few minutes and transfer some Solana to it, which will then be used to buy the meme coin from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance and many others. Early investors could make returns similar to those who invested in Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, DOGE, before these meme coins went viral and exploded in price. If this happens, a new wave of meme coin millionaires could be created in a matter of weeks, or potentially even sooner. The Solana meme coin craze continues amid larger meme coins, like Shiba Inu, SHIB, Dogecoin, DOGE, and Dog with Hat, WIF, trading sideways in recent weeks and losing momentum.